Have you been looking for a way to get your website down for your business or your content or anything at all you want to use your website for? But you've been finding it so difficult because it's so expensive to hire a software engineer to develop your website for you. Here ends your worries, because today I'm going to show you a simple way to get a website down for free without paying anybody to design or develop your website for you. If you want to know how, stay to the end of this video. Now we will be needing three things to get this website done. One is ChatGPT, two is Visual Studio Code, and the last thing is your computer. So if you don't have a computer, you need to get a PC. Any PC at all can be able to use to develop your website for you. So if you get these three things ready, then you are good to go. So we'll go to ChatGPT and then type every detail about your website you want to create or develop. So for instance, I have a restaurant which is called Smart Tech GH. I want you to develop a responsive website for my restaurant with professional color customization. So this is what I want to develop as my website. So I'll just type every detail I need in ChatGPT, and then ChatGPT will be able to do what? Develop the website for me within some minutes or some seconds. That is it. All I need to do is to now press enter. So as you can see, ChatGPT is giving me some quick questions to be able to understand me more about my website and all that. So if you are satisfied with all this, and if this is what you want your website to contain, then you press yes or go ahead. If you want to add something, you can include anything at all you want to add. So I can just tell ChatGPT to go ahead and develop the website for me. So I can say okay, do it. So this is some of the features that my website will contain. So as you can see, ChatGPT has just generated a simple code that I can use for my website. That's the HTML code and then CSS code. So all I need to do is to copy these codes and now paste them in my Visual Studio Code application. So first of all, I'll copy the HTML code, and then what I need to do is to go into my phone, my desktop, and create a new folder and name it any name at all I want to name it. So I can just leave it as new folder, and then I'll go to my application, which is what? The Visual Studio Code application. I'll open that application and then open the new folder I've created inside this Visual Studio Code application. So I'll go into this application. Let's open a new window. Now I'll go and open this folder that I have created on my desktop. So you can either come to file here and then look for what? Open new folder. You can see open folder. Then you click on it, and then you go to your desktop where you've created your folder, and then search for the folder and highlight it. So this is it, new folder. You just highlight it, not to click but highlight it, and then you click on the select folder here, and then it will be open inside the Visual Studio Code application. So this is our application, our folder open inside the application. Now we have to create two files that we'll be able to use to what? Paste our code inside and then get the website done. So you come to this plus sign here, which is create new file. You can see new file here. So I'll click on that. What I need to do is to enter the name of the file, any name at all I want, I can give it, but it has an extension that I have to include at the end of the name. So after everything that you, or after every name you give, you have to add what we call .html. That's how it is. So I can say smart tech, or just say smart dot html. Sorry, I think sorry, smart dot html. Then I press enter. Now, there's one thing I need to do. You just press shift, then the exclamation mark, shift plus the exclamation mark once, then you press enter. I think I pressed it double. Shift exclamation mark, then you press enter. That's how it is. So in between the body tag here, you can see body here, we have an open tag and a closing tag. So we will just paste our code that we've copied from ChatGPT inside the body here. Control plus V, then I'll paste the entire code here. Now I'll go back to ChatGPT and copy the next code, which is this CSS code. That is for styling, coloring, and all that. So I can copy this code too and go back to my Visual Studio Code application and then create another file. This time around, I'll name it style.css. So style.css. Then I'll press enter. I'll paste this code also here. Then I'll go back to this HTML code and then run or open this code with live server. So what I'll do is to right click on it and then you can see open with live server. If you don't see live server here, you come to this option here, that is extensions. So any extension you want to include in the application, this is where you come and download it. So you come here, you click on it, you search live server. That's if you don't see it you. So when you click on it, you can see live server here. If it's not installed, then you click on it and then install it. Then you'll be able to do what? Open your code with the live server. That is it. So I'll come back here, right click, and then open with live server. Let's see how our application or our website will be. So you can see the website has been designed simple and easy as you can ever imagine. So this is it. If I want, I can include more features or more things for ChatGPT to add it for me. So this is the website that has been designed some few minutes. You can see explore menu. We have home button here. We have the menu, about us, contact us. This is the name of my restaurant, about us, our menu and all that. So you can see this is our menu. We have fufu and lai soup, authentic Ghanaian favorite with what? Goat meat. We have grilled chicken served with jollof rice and salad. Contact us through this contact details. So this is simple how you can develop a website using ChatGPT. This is just a simple demo that I'm showing you. If you want to add more features to the website, you can tell ChatGPT to include all that you need to in your website. So this is simple how you can develop a website using ChatGPT. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share to those who are in need of the video. Thank you for watching and I'm hoping to see you in the next video. Love you.